Installing the all-new Bonaire SBB evaporative cooler. Prior to commencing, check that there's no damage. Remove the thumb screw from the top of one louver. Slide up the louver and remove. Remove the accessories bag. Cut the travelling or holding straps. Unscrew the 3 screws holding the blue control box to the lid of the cooler and place on the fan. Release the clip from the internal water pipe. Slide out the pump. This is not screwed into the unit, and place on the fan. The whole fan, venturi, pump and control box can now be removed as one. Always place the fan motor on the ground with the fan blades up. The outer shell can now be easily manoeuvred and rolled onto its side. Slide a rope over the venturi through the fan hole, or in this case, through the water inlet hole, and bring the rope underneath the tank and tie tightly. Carefully haul the unit onto the roof using the rope. The recommended dropper size for all SBB coolers is 550 by 550 millimeters. Check that the unit is located correctly on the dropper duct. The unit should be central on the dropper duct. Fix the unit into the position. A minimum of 4 screws should be used on each accessible side of the unit. Lift the fan assembly onto the roof and reinstall into the unit. Ensure the venturi is correctly rotated for the motor wiring loom and is snapped into the location notches. Refit the blue control box with the 3 screws. Refit the pump and connect the water pipe with the circlet. Fit the aquamizer dump valve, ensuring the sticker faces the correct corner post. Screw the drain fitting to the aquamizer thread on the underside of the tank and tighten, ensuring there's no leaks. Fit the ball float valve and secure. Secure the 90-degree elbow to the bottom of the ball float and tighten. Make sure you use some Teflon tape to avoid leaks. Screw the solenoid valve to the 90-degree elbow and have the valve on the top of the solenoid. Fit the wires to the solenoid valve through the electrical post in the base of the cooler. Select the appropriate drain connection socket out of the accessories bag. You have a choice of a 19, 20, 25mm or 40mm fitting. Today, we're using the 19mm fitting. Screw to the base of the aquamizer. Refit the side louver and slide back into place. You now have the option of a slimline digital thermostat or navigator wired thermostat.